how to create QQ account. Before anything else, QQ is actually a popular instant messaging and social media platform in China. It offers a wide range of features, including text and voice messaging, video calls, file sharing, and access to various online services like gaming, music, and shopping. To create an account, all you have to do is just to download the application via Google Play Store or any app store available on your phone. If you're on the web version, just simply open up your preferred web browser and then simply type in QQ sign up. Now choose one of their first link, which has a page translation, and from here just input your nickname, password, and I believe these are the only available area codes that is working for QQ accounts, either China, Hong Kong SAR, Macau, and Taiwan. So just choose on your preferred area code and then just input your phone number and just click this circle right here and hit on sign up now. And that is basically how you create an account on QQ.